Hi guys, Freshbooks and Wave are two of the most popular accounting softwares today, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Freshbooks and Wave, and we'll consider 7 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We'll leave the link in the description, you can use it, and you can start with a free version, and if you like it more you can upgrade, risk-free. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is best for you. And let's start with the pricing. FreshBooks offers a variety of pricing plans designed to meet the needs of businesses of different sizes. The Lite plan is priced at only $6.80 per month and supports up to 5 billable clients, while the Plus plan is priced at $12 per month and supports up to 50 billable clients. The Premium plan costs $22 per month and allows an unlimited number of billable clients. FreshBooks also has a Select plan that is customized to meet the unique needs of specialized businesses. However, you should know that there is currently a 60% off your first 6-month deal that keeps prices that lower. The real prices are $17, $30, and $55. In contrast, Wave promotes its free accounting and invoicing service. However, customers must pay a fee to receive payment from their clients. Wave's payment service fees include 2.9% plus 60 cents per transaction for credit card payments and 1% for ACH transactions, with Amex being a bit more expensive at 3.4% plus 60 cents. Although there is a cost for payment services, it's still reasonable and comparable to other payment providers. Additionally, Wave's free service includes many features that are not found in other free accounting and invoicing tools. And for the ease of use, FreshBooks is a cloud-based accounting software that is designed to help small businesses easily manage their finances. One of the advantages of FreshBooks is that it's very easy to set up. Users can input their business details such as company name, address, and telephone number with ease. This allows users to get up and running quickly and focus on running their business rather than spending time on administrative tasks. The main page of FreshBooks includes shortcut functions that make it easy for users to execute certain tasks quickly. Additionally, the left menu bar contains all the core features of FreshBooks, including banking, sales, cash flow, expenses, projects, and payroll. This makes it easy for users to find the features they need to manage their finances effectively. However, one downside of FreshBooks is that modifying or importing the chart of accounts requires signing in as an accountant. This can be inconvenient for users who are switching to FreshBooks from other accounting softwares and may need to make changes to their chart of accounts. In contrast, Wave is a free accounting software that's known for being one of the most user-friendly programs available. The setup process for Wave is also very easy. Users start with the Wave Launchpad, where they can choose from displayed options and set up the entire process quickly. The Wave dashboard is designed to be easy to navigate, with uncluttered menu items and visible buttons to help users find what they need quickly. Even beginners can easily automate workflows such as adding new clients, bills, creating project estimates, and sending invoices. Wave also includes features such as bank connections and receipt scanning, which can help users save time and streamline their accounting processes. Overall, both FreshBooks and Wave are great options for small business owners who need an easy-to-use accounting software. While FreshBooks offers robust features and shortcuts on the main page, Wave is free and offers an intuitive setup process and user-friendly dashboard. And for the integrations, FreshBooks is awesome because it lets you connect with a wide range of third-party software, which means you can automate different business processes beyond what the platform can do on its own. Some of the most popular integrations on FreshBooks include Shopify, Square, Bench Bookkeeping, Zapier, Calendly, MailChimp, HubSpot, Gusto, Stripe, and PayPal. On the other hand, Wave has a smaller number of direct integrations, but don't let that fool you. With Zapier, Wave can connect with thousands of apps, which means you can automate and streamline your workflows just as easily. However, you must pay for this service. Popular integrations on Wave include PayPal, Square, Stripe, Etsy, HubSpot, Slack, Google Sheets, and Pipedrive. And for the setup, if you're looking for an easy-to-set-up accounting software, FreshBooks is a great option. Its setup process is straightforward, requiring only basic information about your business. You can also customize your invoices by adding your business logo and background colors, and even send a test invoice. To use Freshbooks for bank reconciliation, simply set up your financial institutions. If you want to accept credit card payments, you can sign up for Freshbooks Payment or Stripe directly from the app. Freshbooks also includes helpful tutorials built into the program. When you get started, tutorial videos are available, and the first time you use any function, text balloons and arrows will show you where to go and what to click. The illustrations are also lively and informal, making you feel comfortable. Similarly, Wave is also easy to get started with. It only takes 3 steps to begin. Click the Sign Up button, sign up with your Google or Yahoo account, or use an email address and password. Enter your business name, type, and the main currency you use. The business type you enter will determine the categories that appear in your chart of accounts, so it's crucial to get this right. And for the customer support, Wave's customer support is exclusively available online, meaning that there is no phone line. Live chat support is offered for 60 days, but after that period, users are required to send emails unless they use one of the paid services such as Wave Payments or Wave Payroll. However, with 4 million businesses utilizing Wave, there is an active user community at communitywaveapps.com, which serves as an excellent source of knowledge. Many users contribute to the forums, and Wave staff also visit the forums and offer assistance, providing valuable advice. On the other hand, Freshbooks offers more responsive support, with both email and phone support available during extended business hours, though not 24/7. You can message support from within the app or call the toll-free phone line. And for the reports. When it comes to Wave, they offer a basic selection of only 12 reports. These include a profit and loss account, a balance sheet, a sales tax report, and some breakdowns of the business, such as revenue by customer or product. Unfortunately, these reports cannot be customized, and there's no cash flow reporting available. So for some users, this may be a little disappointing. Now let's take a look at Freshbooks. They provide 14 reports, but don't offer balance sheets. While this may be enough for small businesses or freelancers with a limited number of clients and services, as the business grows, the limited ways to slice and dice the reports may not provide enough visibility of where profits are coming from. And for the mobile apps. The mobile apps offered by Wave are limited to only entering expenses and invoices, and each function has its separate app, which can be difficult to navigate. Additionally, the full accounts cannot be accessed from the mobile apps. In contrast, Freshbooks has made a significant effort to provide extensive functionality on their mobile app. It includes a time tracking feature that is highly beneficial, especially for those who work remotely or travel frequently to client sites. The app also allows for communications with clients and provides real-time notifications for overdue invoices and payment confirmations. So choosing between Freshbooks and Wave depends on your business and your needs. Both tools come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best solution. It will depend on your current needs. Whichever tool you choose, we'd recommend trying the free version first, risk-free, and if you like it more, you can upgrade. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, that helps a lot. Thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, please leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too, and goodbye.